Hi all, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Let's start repeating work using Uipath. In today's session, we are going to discuss about a very interesting topic, which is nothing but ChatGPT. So basically, you will be having question, right? So what is ChatGPT? How it has been used? So does it really solve our problems? So this video help you to walk through what is ChatGPT, how it has been used. So what are the streamline we can go here and use this ChatGPT. So basically, ChatGPT reduce the work of the human in finding what actually they are looking for, and also help you to get the accurate result on it. So let me go to the ChatGPT site. So this is the ChatGPT site. So where you can have your chat. I will just place the link in the description as well. Let us start with few interesting questions. So let me try to type over here. What is RPA? So it will answer all our questions with a clear, crystal clear answers. So it giving the entire answers what actually RPA does. So what RPA stands for. So it given the description. So you can use the Chat GPT for writing your essays and so to rectify your codes which is wrong actually. So what I can do here. So already I just open a HTML code editor. What I will do. Correct. So I'll just try to enter the wrong code here. Correct my code. Correct my below code. Yeah. So what I will do, I'll just paste my code over here. Voluntarily, I will just remove this body. Okay. I'll just remove this one. Also, I'll just remove this head. Yeah, perfect. So let's try to enter now. So it will be correcting our code now. See, it has corrected our code. So you can see, right? So we have missed our header and body, but it has placed the correct tags and it has given the correct code for us. So not only in the code part, so let me tell it to write a small Uipath sequence, okay? Right here, small Uipath sequence. So it started writing now something. Yeah, so here is the small sequence. So it is giving us steps what actually need to be done over there. So with the help of these steps, you can draw your small sequence, what actually you are looking for. So it is giving entire steps, so what actually need to be taken. So it is very cool, right? So you can easily get all the answers over here. So let me try with some blocks now. Write a blog about, sorry, about machine learning. So let's wait for a few minutes. So it will start writing about a blog about machine learning now. See how cool it is, right? So it is trying to resolve our codes. It is writing a blog for us, and it is helping us. So what actually we are looking for. So it make our task so very easy, so that we can accomplish our task in a less amount of time. So you can see here, right? So it is writing in an in-depth way, so that we can understand each and every point of the machine learning. So you can get everything cool here. So likewise, you can utilize this chat GPT in many of the ways, so which can be not only in a programming way. So you can here I have listed few more things, so which is NLP, chatbot, and conversation of AI, language generation, text to speech, and language understanding, text to transmission. Likewise, so there are so many fields like education, healthcare. So we can ask about the healthcare issue also. So if you are having headache, so what actually care need to be taken. So it will suggest us what actually the prescription step need to be taken care on the next. So likewise, ChatGPT is very cool on each and every fields. It help you to advise you on in a accurate way. So you can get even your marketing ideas also here. So I hope you have clear, right? So how to use the chat gpt. So you can go ahead and try to use this, so that you can get good ideas, so you can be very practice to it how to use this and how to resolve your day-to-day problems in a easier way. I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. Happy learning. Have a good day.